topic adaptations in frog, lizards, snakes and insects. We know that these animals, frogs, lizards, snakes and insects, they are cold-blooded animals. Cold-blooded animals are the animals whose body temperature does not remain constant. It changes with the change in surroundings. And many cold-blooded animals, they are found in the tropical regions. We know we human beings, man, mammals, birds, they are all warm-blooded animals. Their body temperature remains constant irrespective of the surrounding temperature. So this is the main difference between cold-blooded animals and warm-blooded animals. Warm-blooded animals, we are warm-blooded and our body temperature remains the same, maybe any season. Cold-blooded animals, they undergo hibernation. And what is hibernation, students? You know, hibernation means long winter sleep. In this long winter sleep, what do the animals do? The animals that go for hibernation, they eat a lot of food, then they even breed, and after that they hibernate. And during hibernation, these animals, they remain inactive without eating anything, and they breathe also very less. And they survive only on the reserve fat that is in their body. Okay, so hibernating animals, after hibernation they become active and they come out of their burrows, holes, and then they move around when the season becomes favorable. When the winters, they are no more there, then these animals, they come out, they become active. And there are some animals which are able to change their color of their skin or scales to blend with the surroundings. And we have done about this phenomena, camouflage. Camouflage means blending with the surroundings. They blend with the surroundings so that they cannot be easily spotted by their predators. Now we know about green grasshopper, leaf insect. They both are green in color and just like leaf, and they cannot be spotted when they are sitting on the leaf. Then is the stick insect. It just looks like a stick, and when it is sitting on a plant, it just looks like a branch of a tree or that plant. Then we know about the common reptile, that is the chameleon. We know it changes the position of its scales to change its body color to blend with the surroundings. So when it is on the soil, it becomes brownish in color. When on the grass, it turns into light greenish color. So, and we know about tiger also. Tiger has spotted body, which it has stripes on its body, which camouflage with the surroundings so that it cannot be easily spotted by its prey.